I'm a director of the Great Pine Ridge region of the Antique and Classic Car Club of Canada. The region is represented and headquartered here in Cobourg, in general area, reaching from far away as Brighton to Peterborough on to Oshawa.
You had a lull over the last 2 years. I take it this is the first time you've had this show. How is it? How big is it? How many cars? Just tell us a little bit about it.
The last time since the club was organized in 1981, we've had a showing here at the park for about 20, well this will be our 26th showing, not counting COVID. So actually our 28th. We didn't have it because of COVID the last 2 years, so this year we're having it again. In the past, it used to be a judging show leaning towards the antique and classic cars, which entailed quite a few more manpower and hours and work to conduct. In view of the fact that we've not had that for 2 years, this show was decided to be a simple car show with vehicles representing those eras. We've allowed other entrances to come to show their vehicles to add to the day. Up to now, based on the turnout of vehicles, we estimate about 150 total. It was really a success as far as we're concerned relative to the show. And with the blessing of the great weather and the folks who've come today, thank you very, very much. And as an aside, for the last 20 plus years, the club has supported Make-A-Wish, which is the Children's Foundation. Thank you for coming and have a safe trip home.
Do you know how much they've raised for Make-A-Wish? And if you don't, that's fine. And just
At the moment, we don't, but I will make a comment. The club, over the years, has donated a print to the Children's Wish. They sell tickets here at the show for the draw. The proceeds of those ticket sales is for them. The club makes a further donation based on the day's results, which we pay to them. It is to carry on their great endeavors.
last question. Tell me a little bit about what is it with these classic cars that draws people to them?
I think a lot has to do with they come by and they look at an older vehicle and say, my dad had one of those. And they're looking at whatever the vehicle is, say a 65 Chevy. But it was a different color. Oh, it had 4 doors. Oh, maybe it was a 69. But I think what it does a lot of is reminiscence in the memories in the past of what the cars did look like, what it did mean to them at the time, and the experiences. It just gives them a chance to take a look. And I have to allude the owners of these vehicles to preserving these for that one reason and for their own personal and family wishes and desires. Thank you.
Bruce's early death. I know Bruce smoked himself to death. I think he had enough on his plate. He needed his cigarettes. Excuse me.